Dear student, today we will teach about radius and density of a nuclei. Here we can see that density of a nucleus is just defined by the mass of the nucleus upon volume of the nuclei. The mass of nuclei is made of mass of each and every nucleon which participate in atom. Here, for example, if I take a atom, suppose I would like to say 2 helium 4, then the mass of this helium, then here 2, this is so the number of atoms in our table, or we can say it is the number of proton. In helium we have proton equal to 2, and if I would like to say the mass of this atom helium, here this numerator value 4, it is the mass of helium, it is 4. If I would like to say that what is number of neutron in helium atom, then as we know that neutron equal to mass minus proton, then here we can say in this atom helium we have 2 neutrons. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is that in helium atom we have 2 proton and 2 neutron. So total mass of helium is equal to 4. Now in order to define the density, to calculate density we need to the volume of helium atoms. As we know that if I would like to say this is a nuclei of helium, this is proton, neutron, proton and neutron, each are connected to each to another. Now the total size of nuclei is will be equal to total volume which is participated by each nucleon in this range or nuclei. So in order to find out total volume, we will calculate volume of each and every nucleon and multiply by them the total number of nucleons. By help of this we can determine total volume of nuclei. Okay, so this method we can get the volume and the mass of nuclei. Now how can we define the density? The density is nothing but that mass upon volume. Now in order to calculate the density of nucleon, here mass of every nucleon is equal to another nucleon. We can say that in nuclear physics we consider in case of nucleus study that the size of each nucleon is equal. We can say the proton has equal radius of neutron, and neutron is equal radius of protons. We are take both particles like a same way. So here, to find out the size of every nucleon, we would like to use this formula, which is given by Rutherford. Then what is R? Equal to R0 A upon a raised to the power 1 upon 3. Here R equal to radius of any nuclei. R0 equal to a constant, Fermi constant is now 1.6 10 raised to the power minus 15, and A is the mass of nucleus. By help of this we can find out the total radius of nuclei. In nuclear physics we also consider that we don't know what is the exactly shape of nucleon or nucleus, but we take all shape are in spherical form. So we have mass of nuclei, which is equal to m into A. M equal to mass of every nucleon, each nucleon, and A equal to number of nucleons. By help of this we will have the total mass. On the other hand, this is the term which is equal to volume of nuclei. By dividing mass and volume, we would have like this manner, and we see that it comes out m upon 4 upon 3 pi r0 cube. M equal to mass of nucleon. 4 pi and 3 are the constant, r0 is constant. By help of this we find one thing, that is the density of nucleus is a constant, and it is too much large than other substance. So we can say that each and every atoms has same density, and it is order of 10 raised to the power 70 kilogram per meter cube. Thanks. In next lecture we will discuss about the measurement way and experiment to find exact mass of a nuclei and mass diffractions. Thanks.